Hi, I'm Ryan, and that's my wife Misty, and we're converting a van into a tiny home on wheels. So far we've done the floors, framed the walls, installed tongue and groove on the walls and ceiling, and built a bed. Now I'm no carpenter, but I'm pretty proud of the work I've done so far. But now it's time for something a bit more intricate. Today is going to be a very big and very exciting day because we finally got our refrigerator in, so I can officially start working on the couch. I've never built anything like this, so I'm both very nervous and very excited. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it comes out. I want to get as much done as I possibly can, as quickly as I can, because it's already very hot and very humid, and it's only 7:30 in the morning. So let's get to work. So we bought the Dometic, I believe it's 35W or CF35, whatever it is. It's a 35 quart refrigerator. It's a 12 volt fridge. But the idea is to have this thing sliding forward and back like this underneath the couch rather than side to side like that. So I figured it's probably best for me to build this little tray for the fridge to sit on first, so I can adjust everything else on the couch to the height of the fridge. We'll see how it pans out. And that'll do. Oh yeah. It's gonna slide in and out real well. Let's get it in the van. All right. I think that's where I'm gonna put it. So it slides in and out this way. Gotta get around these plugs over here. I don't know if you can see them. Okay, how am I gonna do this? What's the saying? Measure once, cut twice? Something like that. Well, today was a lesson in that, because I did all this work. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how she fits. Like a glove. Hell yeah. We got issues here. It's just slightly too short for the refrigerator to actually be able to slide up underneath this thing. Plus, the sliders I got only go up to 50 pounds. I was told they went to 100, but they only go up to 50 pounds for the pair. So. All that work for that result. But a quick trip to Lowe's and a little more work, and we are back in business. All right, that is much better. She actually clears now. All right, I added a little bit of height to her. I didn't want to have to do that, but I did. So now I have to cut out this little area, do some extra framework around here so the fridge will actually slide in and out from under here. Hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have a fully functioning couch. Fingers crossed. So I'm out here doing some test fitting, and it seems our new sliders aren't long enough for me to be able to open up the refrigerator all the way. So, unfortunately, it looks like I'm gonna have to put it in sideways just to be able to open it up all the way. That sucks. Not everything works out the way you plan, and that's fine. Just keep plowing ahead, and eventually, your work will pay off. In one form or another. Moment of truth. What do you think, dear? Is it gonna work?
Looks great.
It looks good, but will the fridge slide unimpeded?
It looks like it will.
Let's add some weight. Hey man, it works!
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
So fine, baby, you built that.
I built this thing.
Yeah.
Huh. Debated stopping for the day, but I think I'm gonna keep going. been a long, hot, sweaty, exhausting day, so I'm going to bed. I'm closing up shop. Be back bright and early in the morning to finish this couch. Day 2, working on the couch. I don't have much left to do on the couch. A few details that I can slap her in here. Just gotta keep kind of trucking along, making progress. It's supposed to be in the 90s again today, so I really wanna not spend another 10-hour day working out here in the heat. So yeah, just gotta keep going, keep pushing ahead, make progress. So we debated having this whole area for the fridge completely open, but I figured I wanted to try putting a little cover on it. That way when the fridge is closed, it's kind of hidden. Pretty all right. We got a few more details to go. I'm ready to be done with this thing. There we go. Still gotta get under here and grind all that down.
Let's go! Move!
So many little intricate details in making the couch look remotely pretty. I just got done grinding the screws for the hinges so they don't cut us or, cut anything, and using wood putty on all the holes so it looks nice and smooth the whole way. But making the inside of the van looks pretty has just begun because Misty just started painting.
Finally doing some manual labor.
You're doing good, babe.
Stop making fun of me.
You look like Cruella de Vil.
Stop making fun
Let me see your hair.
No.
Oh, look at I love it, baby. I love it.
Go! Get up! Move! Woo! Get up! Roll! I'm gonna show you how. Just watch me. Faster, turn it up. Stronger, burn it up. Better, move it up.
Day 3, working on the couch project. Just finishing up the final little details now. I'm pretty happy with the way this thing has turned out. It is a bit oversized, so I may have to kind of narrow it up and rebuild it in the future. But for now, we have a functioning couch, and that's pretty awesome. There is just one thing we have to do before it's officially done. What are we doing, dear?
Make some DIY no-sew cushions.
Make some DIY no-sew cushions.
Yep. But I'm gonna need your help to, hold it taut while I'm folding corners. But
Hot. Got it. I gotta help her. I gotta put the camera down. Time for the big reveal. We officially have a couch. This thing turned out pretty fantastic. It is a bit tall. I feel like a little kid. My feet don't even touch the ground. Huge props goes to Misty. She's essentially acted as an interior designer / decorator on this build. I'm mostly just a moron with the camera and some of the correct tools to kind of slap it all together. Anybody can do this. Anybody can build this. I'm no carpenter. I've never done anything like this. It's just gonna take time and a little bit of patience. You're gonna screw things up and you're gonna get frustrated and you're gonna have to redo things. I'm pretty excited with the way things have turned out so far. The next big project is the kitchenette. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to see the actual step-by-step process I took in more detail, check the description below. Also, if you like this video, show me by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more content and to see me make more of an absolute fool of myself.